bonsai business. It's a home-based business. It's not a open store business. So I work with bonsais, and I've been working with different trees for the last couple of years, and now I may be open in July. But I had a nursery in Port Orford for 5 years, and my ex-wife and me, we sold a lot of trees, but the one that the ones that I like were the ones that you design in the yard, like a bonsai. I like to take one of your trees and cut it. And then the other one is bonsai. Now, I don't have any Japanese maples here, but I have some ordered. I planted two, they both died. So now I just got two more green ones, which is the one you use for the root on a bonsai. Then you take the slower growth part and graft it. So I'm into grafting and everything else. What I brought here was some I set over the years, and those are elm trees. They grow up 200 feet tall. But what I think they'll do is if you keep it cut down and everything, the bottom part will grow up really fast. Some trees you gotta wait years for them to grow at all. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna mess with this one, and whoever doesn't have one can help me with this one. And we're gonna put them in pots. The best way for me is to learn these things here. We're gonna put up and then put the plant in these and then dump the dirt out and stuff. So it doesn't get all too wet. But we're gonna be putting them in these little pots here. These are little bonsai pots. Everyone gets one that has a tree. If I have some extra, you bring home to your own tree. And these, if you look at the bottom, they have a lot of little holes around the edge here. And then they have this hole in the middle. And you can take you can put a little screen in the biggest part here. But this is where all the wires go through to hold the plant down in place and to make it look the way you want. And I have all that stuff. So I'm just gonna pass this up. I have gloves. You can come up and get gloves. Some of these, if we're gonna try to put every single one in one of these here. When we pull the plant out, we're gonna dig all the dirt around all the roots out. Now in the nursery, I don't do it this way. I just take a hose with a sprayer on the end, pull it out, and spray around all the leaves to get all the old stuff back. I do like putting the original soil back in first, instead of buying a lot of different things, because the roots of the tree will adapt to those. So these are expensive diggers, $1.25 at the dollar store. And these are the other ones here. They're pointed. You can jab them in. We'll do this one in a few minutes. So here's the wire. I have more wire. The rule of thumb is if you're going to wire one of these branches, if you decide this is going to be your branch and you wire it, you want to make sure that the wire is strong enough to hold it. So if you take it like this and the wire bends, then it's too small. So you go to another bigger one. Does any of this make sense yet? Oh, perfect. Got some cards here. Want some? Get some more water. Some of these here. I got the cutters. How to use these for cutting the bigger stuff. Now, some of them you won't need to cut, but you might want to bend them how you want it to look. This one was made at the library. They have a machine back here. Those girls. So it makes it out of plastic. And it's kind of cool. I was thinking of putting this one in here. Maybe leave it in the library or something. Oh, yeah. So, come and get some stuff. You don't have to hold the wire.
Do you want to share? Do you want to share ours? Here, I've got